Good day. This is Akanaido. Uh, I think the first class we had on this topic, heat energy, I was able to give you some concepts to solve questions on that heat energy. But today, I want to start solving questions on heat energy. You may pay attention if you understand the previous concept. Find the quantity of heat required to raise temperature of 500 grams of copper from 16 degrees Celsius to 160 degrees Celsius, assuming the specific heat capacity of copper is 400 joule per kilogram per Kelvin. Now, in physics, solution, solution. Especially for you, those of you who want to write work, it's important to list all the parameter, all the quantities given, to list them out. From here now, from the quantity of find the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of, the 500 gram is for mass, which means mass, which is mass is what 500 gram. Copper from anything degree Celsius, Kelvin, Fahrenheit, they are what temperature, which means temperature we have a initial temperature which is 16 degrees Celsius. We have final temperature which is 116 degrees Celsius, which means let's say temperature, temperature, temperature. We have the first one T1. Let's say it's T1 is 16 degree Celsius. T2 is 116 degree Celsius. But you don't need to convert under this because if you convert this one to Kelvin, the difference between Celsius is 100. The difference between Kelvin is also 100. You still get the same value. So you don't need to convert, just leave it in that way. Then we're also giving C. That's a specific heat capacity. Let's have a specific heat capacity of copper. Is 400 joule per kilogram per Kelvin. But this one is not standard unit. But those of you that want to write a question like JAM, like any standard exam, you have to know how to reason and think very well. You know, this one is gram, this one is per kilogram. You know that it's not the same thing. You have to convert to standard one. That's what they are telling you. But adipin, you are also have this one in gram per Kelvin like that, and your option is also gram. You also tally with that. You may not need to convert, but this one you have to convert it. And 1,000 gram is equal to what? 1 kilogram. 1,000 gram is equal to what? 1 kilogram, which means to convert this one now, which means this one is half of kilogram because 1,000 is equal to what? 1 kilogram, which means this one is what? 0.5 kilogram. What I said, you don't need to convert anything again. Then, what are we asked to find? Q, quantity of it, question mark. And the right formula to use there is Q is equal to MC theta. Theta is the same as Q is equal to MC, that MC bracket T2 minus T1. Our mass here is 0.5. Our C is what? 400. uh let me the quantity of heat, our mass is 0.5, C is 400, and the temperature T2 is 116, T1 is 16. Then what you do is you have 0.5 times 400. This one, difference between this is 100. And when you do it very well, you have to be 0.5 times 400 times 100. So this one will give us, uh, you know, this one, when we multiply everything here, because this 100 now, this one give us 100 times 0.5, that will give us 50 times 400. So 5 times 4, that's 20. 1, 2, 3, that's 1, 2, 3. So that's a joule, or 20 uh, kilojoule, or 20 uh, kilojoule, or 20 kilojoule. Our Q is Q now is uh, 20 kilojoule. Kilo means 3. 10 is power 3. That's 1000. Thanks for watching me. Follow me, like me.